Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along on how I style and make my bed to give it a luxurious look, and I hope it inspires you. And of course, I have JJ helping me out, of course. At this point, we actually had to take a break because JJ was sleepy. I actually tried to record my voice live, but he was really tired, so I had to take a break and come back. All right, so I am back recording, but before I get started, you guys really loved some of the items that I had on my Poshmark account closet, so I decided to add a few more items. So I recently decluttered my home decor closet and added a few more pieces to my Poshmark closet to send these pieces to a new home. I love that Poshmark allows me to shop my favorite brands and my favorite creators. So here are some of the items that I added, starting with these candlesticks. Two of them are the same size, and then one is a smaller size. I got it from Home Goods last year. I only used it a couple of times. This would be perfect for decorating a coffee table. And I also added this decor here. I used to use it to decorate my shelf. I no longer have the shelf, so I added this to my Poshmark closet. And then I have some decorative bowls. This one I got from Ross. I only used it like once. And these trays are from Home Goods. All of these will be listed on my Poshmark account, along with some decorative pillows. So go ahead and click the link in my description box to download the Poshmark app and shop my closet. So when you click that link, it will take you to my closet, and this is what it looks like. I already have some of the items that I showed you guys listed, and I did add a few more that I didn't get to show. I am still decluttering my closet, and I will be adding some more. Let me know what you guys want to see me add. Definitely will be adding some more. So go ahead and just click that link and shop my Poshmark. All right, so let's get into how I make my bed. I love coming into my bedroom to a well-made bed that gives off that luxury hotel, five-star hotel vibes. And I always start with that fitted sheet, and then I use my flat sheet. And I always recommend using white sheets. Every time you go into a luxury hotel, they always have white sheets. And then I move on to my duvet and my duvet cover. Guys, I used to be a comforter girl. Let me know if you're a team comforter or a team duvet cover. It is a lot easier to maintain and wash, but it is a struggle to put together. You see my victory dance at the end. I am still working on that, but your girl struggled, but I finally made it through. So I am just laying my duvet cover on the bed, and then I add my quilt. I am keeping it very neutral here, going with that gray. Since after Christmas I had red, so I wanted something more subtle. So this quilt is from Amazon, and I love it. It's very comfortable and plush. And the next thing is I love to steam my sheets. I got this garment steamer from, I think, TJ Maxx a couple of years ago. I use it on my curtains. I use it on my sheets. I use it for my clothes because I don't really like to iron. Let me know if you guys use a steamer for your sheets or your curtains. It definitely gives off that luxury look when you have your sheets well, ironed out. It looks really good. And this one here is, it really works well. All right, so next I love adding throw pillows to the bed. I feel like it gives a cozy vibe, but one of my struggle is buying too many pillows. So last year I decided to start buying pillow covers. So I highly recommend getting pillow covers instead of buying a whole bunch of pillows. And these ones are from Glamorously Living Home from Naomi. Got it during her Black Friday sale. All I did was just change out the throw pillow that I already have, and actually switched it back out because that was the wrong insert size. And I grabbed this pillow that I got from Z Gallery, and it was a perfect fit. So definitely use pillow covers instead of buying a whole bunch of pillows. After cleaning up the space, it was time to light the candle, and this is how it all turned out. The bed is definitely giving that cozy, luxurious, five-star hotel vibe, and I absolutely Love it. Like I said, I decided to go with the neutral color palette after the holiday season. On my nightstand, all I did was I added a floral arrangement that I got from Home Goods, and this decor chain that I got from Target, and the candle. And you guys can see my pillows. I love my collection of throw pillows. It gives it a luxurious and cozy vibe. The two are from Glamorously Living, along with the bolster pillow. And then the three pillows in the back, I also got pillow covers, and I used some of the existing pillows that I already have. Again, you're saving money with that. So I highly recommend pillow covers. They have a ton of them on Amazon as well. All right, so we're moving on to the other side of the room. This is where the sitting area is. For the side table here, all I did was add this vase that I got from TJ Maxx, along with the florals that I got from Amazon. And I love having this table here. It really works well for the space. And then on this side of the room, I still have the same decor. This box is from TJ Maxx. I also added a throw blanket over my quilt to give off a cozy vibe, and we use that throw blanket when we are in the sitting area over here watching the TV. I really love how the colors flow well with the bathroom as well. The grays, the creams, the gold, the black. It definitely flows really well. If you haven't seen my bathroom renovation video, I will link it so you can go check it out. So let me know what you think about this bed styling and room refresh. I hope that you got some kind of inspiration from here. And how do you style your bed? So at this point, my little helper was up. He had his snacks and he is touching everything in the room. And that is why I actually keep most of my decor in the room here to a minimal, because he is in the full toddler mode, getting into everything and ripping my table books. So I try to limit as much as I can, but of course still creating that aesthetic that I love. Let me know what you guys think. Please, if you enjoyed this video or if you were inspired by it, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And don't forget to check the description box for my link to my Poshmark closet. Download the app and shop some of my decor. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a wonderful and amazing day.